Hi everybody, I'm Lola and you are watching Life with Lo. Thanks so much for tuning in today. So in today's video, I'm going to show you real quick how to make your baby's onesies for their first birthday. So since we are in quarantine and I didn't get to order anything, so I decided to make my twins this cute little onesie. Super simple. But this one's Noah. As you can see, it says one and it says Noah. So I am going to show you guys how to make that super quick. What you're gonna need some type of iron-on vinyl. This one I'm gonna be using for the number 1, which is glitter. And then you're gonna need another one for the name, and I'm just gonna be using a black iron-on sheet. You are gonna be needing a plain onesie, just like this. I don't know what size they are. This one's 18 months, so it might be a little big on them. But you're also gonna be needing some type of like measurement tape, and like this. You're gonna be needing a Cricut machine and where's my, oh, there it is. And then you're gonna be needing the blue light grit mat. And of course, a tool and also an iron. My iron's over there. And also an iron. But that's what you need to be making a cute little onesie for your 1-year-old, 2-year-old, 3-year-old, whatever onesie you want to make. So keep on watching so you could see how to make this.
Okay, what I like to do right now is get my measuring tape and measure the middle of the onesie where you want your design to be at. And then I went on my computer and I deleted the designs that I'm not gonna be using. And then I got the number 1. That measurement was for the width was 4 inches and the height was 6. And then for the name, the width was 5.5 and the height was 2.5. Gabriel was a little longer. I believe it was 3. I'm sorry, it was shorter. So I believe it was 2 instead of 2.5 because his name is longer. So this is how it's going to be like. Sometimes I put the onesie in front just to get an idea how it's going to look like. But then I double check everything before I click OK. Double check all my measurements to see if it's perfect, and it was. Okay, so now that I have the 2 images that I want, I am actually gonna go up here where it says make it. I'm gonna make it, and then you can see right here are the 2 numbers that I'm gonna be using, and then number 2 is their names. So now I have, and you can't forget when you go back here, you have to do right here, you have to do the mirror image and the mirror image so yours doesn't look funky. And that is it. So these are it. So what you have to do, you have to, I'll move you guys a little bit over. You have to get your vinyl, your iron on, and you have to pretty much measure. I think what I have right here will do. You just have to measure, because right here it will tell you what to measure, but I like to save as much as I can because these are not cheap. So I get my little grit mat. Let me put you guys over here more. Put this over here. So I get my grit mat and I try to, because you have to put the shiny down on the mat. So you can see right here, I have to go like this, and I have to see if it's not gonna fit. So it goes up to the 10 and this goes up to the 9. So I'll have to play with it. Oh no, I could just, never mind, it'll fit. Yes, it's gonna fit, which is awesome. I hate wasting
So I just put this a lot closer, which is okay as long as they're not touching, but it's gonna fit. So right here you can see it's on the 9, and this right here is like 8.5. So it's definitely gonna fit, and it's gonna go up to the number 6, which is right here. So this is perfect right here, the 6 and 8. So this is gonna be my first print. I had to do the same thing with their names. So it was 12 by 3, so I have it on the 4, so this is perfect. And now I am going to go here, and I am going to pretty much just double check everything, perfect. And I'm gonna go right here on this continue, and then it's gonna pick up my machine. If it doesn't, then I'll put the USB. Yes, it picked it up, so it's gonna tell me which machine it is. And over here you pick which one is yours. These are the popular ones, but I already have, hey, I don't know what happened there. But I usually have my favorites. I guess it didn't. So all I gotta do, you could browse it. Oh, right there, never mind, I did have it. It's right over here. It's Everyday Iron I Use. So you go in there, and it says make sure you turn on your iron material, the shiny side down. So we have everything ready, and then you go over to your machine right here. Okay, so what you do right now is you put your mat down like this. It doesn't matter if here is not perfect. All that matters is the top part is perfect. Let me bring you guys up here. So you have that, and then you press the to go in button, and then when the little Cricut starts shining, that's when it's ready to start cutting. Okay, so now you're ready for the black. Make sure everything is ready. You are going to press the little button over here to put that in. And then it will tell you when it's ready. You press the little Cricut, and it's gonna start printing for you. Okay, now that you're done with both of them, you are going to cut. You have to see exactly where it is. Just cut a little bit low so you don't get it wrong. And you do the same thing with this one. And then you get your tool. Mine looks beat up, so I use it a lot. And then you just weed it out. Okay, so now this is where you grab your onesie. I have this. It's proper to do iron, but you don't need it. So you could grab like another pair of clothes that's thin to go on top of it, and then you grab your iron. I do have a professional iron board, but these are so little you don't really need it. So what I like to do is iron just the shirt, get a little heat up. We got that, and then you grab your number 1 that I just did. We're gonna do that one first. Oh, it's perfect. And we're gonna put it right here. Just eyeball it. Doesn't have to be perfect. No one's perfect. So let me see. Okay, looks good. Okay, then you grab your sheet, put that on top, and then you grab your iron and you give a little pressure. Ouch. check to see if it's good. And it looks like it. Perfect. And what I like to do, I like to put this back and give it another iron. And right now we are done with the number 1. We are gonna go back and we're gonna put Noah's name right in the middle. Looks perfect. Perfect. Just like that. Put this back. And iron it. Voila! You are done. And I'm going to do the same thing for Gabriel.
So right now I'm working on Gabriel's onesie, which came out super cute. And here is the final results of both onesies. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. It was simple, but it came out super cute for their photo shoot that I did at home. I also have a link for you guys to check that out. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Till the next one. Bye.